Hello everyone, my name is Su Xinji. I study in Southern Utah University. My major is in information system. This is my graduation capstone project. My project is improving education performance with learning analytics. First of all, I would like to thank my instructor, Dr. Kasha, to provide the overall guidance of conducting an information system project at the organization level. I also thank Incorta for providing me with a practical environment and allowing me to complete this project. This project aims to start thinking about leveraging the advancement in data processing and data analytics in improving students' learning effectiveness and efficiency. The traditional school teaching and the student learning process often rely on the experience and the personal judgment of students and administrators and teachers. However, with the development of information technology today, the data visualization platform can be used to analyze data and assist schools and teachers to obtain valuable information from this massive data. Find problems in quality of education, teaching, and learning. The main objectives of the project are to develop a proof of concept for getting information out of the Canvas system and help students and teachers more effective with the learning experience. Second, identify and describe the development of the dashboards created for teachers, students, and administrators. Third, learn and use Azure Virtual Machine. Next, install Canvas software using Docker image. Then install and administrator, import data to and extract data from PostgreSQL database. Finally, create dashboard and reports in Incorta. The secondary objective of project are first, analyze the teacher, students, and the schools process and create dashboards for helping their activities. Second, integrate with SIS and prepare data in Canvas system using SIS import. Finally, learn the teacher and the school administrators related Canvas functions, such as using common category or LTI tools to prepare courses. I referenced the 22 pieces of literature. They help me understand the importance of learning analytics. I learned the difference between SIS and LMS, and using learning analytics, schools can individualize a student's path to content mastery through adaptive learning or competency-based education. I also learned the role of school administrators in learning analytics. Different dashboards serve different information needs. LMS web log analysis and LMS reporting course data and grid. I play the following role in this project. I'm system analyst for the LMS Analytics system. I review the literature, define the scope of a project, and analyze the user's requirements. I play the role of implementing the Canvas system. I install the Canvas in an Azure environment and make up and running. I use this import to import course information. Use LTI tools and the common category to import course content on the Canvas. I also play the role of the PostgreSQL database and administrator activities, including creating the database, exporting data from Canvas, importing data to Incorta. I design the schema, create formulas and dashboards for the school administrators, instructors, and the students in Incorta. Here is a methodology I use in my project. First, I review the several articles and papers about how data can help in improving learning. Then I studied the Canvas system and its documentation to learn what system and data are available and how users with various rules use the system. I've learned LMS and various systems used in schools. I create the environment in Azure. This is a Canvas login screen. And the school administrator on Canvas interface. Canvas is a LMS systems. I import the data from sys into Canvas using the sys import. I got the school data from net, which including the user, course, and the term basic information. I create the courses manually and also import from using LTI into Canvas. This is student and instructor LMS use case diagram. Instructors can see all their courses and content. The course can be loaded from common category format if course content is shared from other sources. An instructor can also create courses content from scratch. Instructors can create assignments and grade students. Students can see all their courses and the course content, view course pages, notes, and videos. Students also review assignments, submit their assignments, and view grades. I draw 4 entity relationship diagrams. This diagram describes students' enrollment. This diagram describes the instructor enrollments. This diagram about course assignments and submissions. This diagram about wiki pages and access. I import the data from the Canvas database used into the Incorta. This is a diagram to describe the object in Incorta. I have 3 dashboards. They are school admin dashboards, instructor dashboards, and students dashboards. The dashboard default is the current term and active courses. In school admin dashboard, school summary tab, the admin can learn about the school's number of instructors, number of students, instructor ratio, average class size, and the number of course sections. In the instructor overview tab, the admin can know the names of all instructors and the coursework content. In the Student Overview tab, the admin can see the names of all students and the coursework content. In the Course Overview tab, the admin can see the course name, course number, number of sections, instructor name, and the number of students of each school. In Instructor Dashboard, the school admin can see the content of all teachers, but teachers can only their own courses. In the assignments inside, the teacher can see the due date, log date, possible, workflow status, and so on of each assignment. In the assignment submission summary inside, the teacher can see the status of student submission and the grading of all assignments. In the assignment's average score inside, the teacher can see the average scores of students in the class. In the Students Score Detail tab, the teacher can view the detailed information of each student's scores in each assignments and the current total score. In the student assignments submission details tab, the teacher can view the time each student submits the assignments and the grading time of each assignment for each course. In Student Dashboard, students can see their current scores for each course in the current semester and see the score due date and the submission status of each assignment for each course. Here is a lesson I learned in this project. I found that using Trello to manage the tasks helped me to think and plan ahead before and during performing the task. I developed the habit to check and update the task every day. I keep my tasks in a blog to log the activities and keep screenshots of what I did. I found that it is very useful for me to go back to check and prepare the report. My courses in System Administration and Server Administration from SUU help me master Linux well. The environment of the Information System course and the System Analysis and Design course in particular help to study and analyze the Canvas system. I applied my skills learned from the database design and management course to draw entity relationship diagrams and use SQL language to understand the data model. Canvas system used a PostgreSQL database and it was initially a challenge for me, but I checked several online resources and learned how to use and query the PostgreSQL metadata tables. Well, from my previous internship, I had the opportunity to take the Incorta training course, and it's great to have the opportunity to apply what I learned and build the schema models and dashboards in Incorta. Microsoft provides the Azure Virtual Machine with a student rent, and much documentation can be a great learning tool for anyone who would like to know more about the cloud environment and administration. During implementing the KK School in my Canvas development, I found that it was a big challenge in preparing the data. Learning how to import the data via Canvas is simple, not just save my time, but also gave me practical experience in the real-life scenario of integrating SIS and LMS. For this project, through the dashboard, schools can view and understand data that may affect changes and measure progress. Through data collection and analysis of students' learning process, learning feedback, and performance analysis, and so on. Adjust teachers' teaching strategies. Members of the school community can continuously monitor performance and compare them with the people in the same room. Here are the links to get more detail about my project. Yeah, that's all on my project. Thanks for your listening.